English for Iraq, 3rd Intermediate. Copyright Garnet Publishing Limited, 2016.
Unit 1, Lesson 2, Track 1. Listen to the 4 conversations. Point to the correct picture.
Hello, Ibrahim here.
It's your mum. Look, Ibrahim, it's 1:05. What are you doing?
Oh, hi, Mum. I'm in the lift. I'm just coming to the ground floor now.
Oh, well, hurry up then. And what about Salwa? What's she doing?
Sorry, what was that?
Salwa, what's she doing?
I don't know.
Aren't you with her then?
No, I'm with Amina.
Who did you say?
Amina. Don't worry, Mum. We're coming. See you in a minute. Bye.
Hello? Who is it?
Salwa, it's me. Look, it's 1:05. What are you doing? We're waiting for you.
I'm waiting in a queue.
In a queue? Do you know the time? It's 1:05, almost 1:10. What are you queuing for?
I'm buying an ice cream. It's very busy.
There's no time for that. Come back right now, Salwa, please.
I'm really sorry, Mum. See you in a minute. Hello?
Hassan, it's Mum. What are you doing? It's 1:05.
Oh, hi, Mum. It's all right. I'm just coming down the stairs. Can you see me?
Not yet. Be careful.
Mum, I'm okay. See you in a minute. Bye.
Hello? Jassim here.
Yes, I know who it is. But what are you doing?
Nothing.
You sound funny. Where are you?
I'm in the restaurant. I'm having a burger.
In the restaurant? But it's 1:05. Where's Fahad? Is he with you?
Yes, he was thirsty. He's having a cola.
Look, Jassim. Will you hurry up, please? Bring the burger with you. Tell Fahad to bring his cola.
OK, Mum. Sorry. We're coming.
Quickly.
Unit 1, Lesson 4, Track 2. Listen and think. Which objects are the people describing? 1.
You'll love this new model from Trekkers. It's very fast, but really safe.
There are front disc brakes to help you stop quickly.
And it has the latest front and back suspension to keep you on the road.
It's really comfortable.
And it's a great buy.
2. I think it looks good. Do you think it is big enough?
It says it sleeps 2, so that should be big enough.
I'm glad it is insect-proof.
Yes. I don't want to get bitten.
Yes. And look, it only takes 30 minutes to put up. You'll like that. Unit 1, Lesson 9. Track 3. Listen to the 2 conversations. Then write notes to describe the two people. 1. Simon.
Have you seen Simon?
Who's he?
He's the new boy.
What does he look like?
Well, he's tall with green eyes.
Green eyes? That's unusual.
Yes, and he has curly brown hair.
Is that him over there? He's tall. Oh, no. He's got straight hair.
No, look. There he is. He's wearing blue trousers and a red shirt.
But that's Pete.
No, he's not tall. Look, the one carrying a bag. He's wearing white shoes. Well, I mean white trainers.
Simon, over here. 2. Rachel.
Hi, Sarah. Have you seen Rachel?
Rachel? Who's that?
She's new in the school. Don't you know her?
I'm not sure. What does she look like?
Well, she's quite short.
Yes, that could be anyone.
I know. Look, she's got straight hair. Straight black hair and brown eyes.
Is that Rachel over there? She's short with straight black hair. Is Rachel's hair long or short?
She's got long hair. Oh, I know. This morning she was wearing a long green skirt and a white blouse.
Well, you've got a good memory. What about socks and shoes?
Yes, I do remember. She had black shoes and white socks.
Oh, I know who you mean. And she was carrying a CD player.
Yes, that's Rachel.
Unit 1, Lesson 10. Track 4. Lucky Customer 50.
Kareem walked quickly past the department store and hurried towards the bookshop. As he got closer, he saw there was a long queue forming outside the door to the shop, and his heart sank. He had been saving up for months and wanted to be the first one to buy the new book by his favourite poet. Now, he would have to wait in line. As he stood waiting, the hard-working schoolboy pulled the advert for the new book out of his pocket. Kareem had read all of Al-Nawab's poems at least twice and found them very interesting. The quiet boy spent most of his free time reading or writing his own poems, and his parents, friends, and teachers all said he was very imaginative. It was Kareem's dream to be a famous poet himself one day. Finally, the shop door opened, and the owner welcomed the queue of customers in. When Kareem got to the door, the shop owner suddenly rang a bell, and everyone started clapping and cheering. Kareem was very surprised and didn't know what was happening. After a while, the shop owner saw Kareem's confusion and explained,
You are the 50th customer through the door today, young man. There is a big prize for customer number 50. You will get to meet Al-Nawab. Are you any good at writing poems?
Yes, I've got notebooks full of poems,
replied Kareem. He felt a surge of happiness as he understood what was happening. His patience was being rewarded. It was a good thing, after all, that he wasn't first to buy the latest book.
Unit 2, Lesson 2. Track 5. Listen. Where do the boys decide to go? Order the dialogue as you hear it.
What would you like to do this afternoon?
I don't know.
How about going to the park?
What? To play football?
Yes. Why not?
No, it's too hot.
I'd rather go to the cinema to watch a film.
I'd rather not. I don't like the films at the cinema at the moment.
OK. What would you like to do?
Let's go to the mall. There's a new game shop, and we can have lunch there.
Yes, that's a good idea.
I hope you have some money.
Unit 2, Lesson 4. Track 6.